While, while it may not seem obvious to a lot of people, but knowledge is not the same as skills. In fact, a lot of adults, there is a hierarchy of what we call learning styles. So knowledge in the most outermost layer, if you look at this as a sphere, is what we call awareness. I'm aware about something. You may understand the concepts because you've heard about it. That's what we call awareness. And awareness can be built through a lot of reading, blogs, YouTube, online digital videos, right? These are a great way to build awareness. The second thing, the second layer as you go down that layer of learning is what we call literacy. Now this is beyond awareness. You can now frame sentences. You appear very, very knowledgeable because you understand all the theory and the frameworks. A lot of workshops, sometimes these certifications, they help you get better in building literacy. But that's still not skills. The next layer is skills. After awareness and literacy, the innermost layer now is skills, which means you've now applied that theory, you apply that knowledge, you apply the best practices in multiple live problems. And as part of that problems, facilitated by a coach, you've now gotten feedback. You've perfected this art and science of decision making. That is now becoming a skill. And so when we say that you need to build skills for something, we really mean not awareness, not literacy, but you need to get down to the core of building skills.